What's up, people? Welcome back to Arid Graphics. My name is Damilola. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to create a logo design using the distort effect in Adobe Illustrator. This effect can also be applied to any aspect of your design when you're using Illustrator. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So right here I have my artboard, and the first thing I want to do is create a sort of pattern or a sort of icon, because you have to have something before you can use the distort effect. So I'm going to come here and pick up my ellipse tool and draw something like so, and then I'm going to duplicate it, holding Alt and dragging, holding Alt and Shift like so. And then once I have that, I'm going to click on this and then press Ctrl D on my keyboard to duplicate the components. I'm going to group it, select all the shapes and group it using Ctrl G on my keyboard, and then I'm going to duplicate it again like so, holding Alt and Shift, and then I'm going to use Ctrl D to further duplicate them. That's how to duplicate components fast in Adobe Illustrator. So I think this is fine. I'm going to group everything together using Ctrl G on my keyboard. I'm going to center this on the artboard like so. So now we have our icon, or let's say pattern. So we can now apply the distort effect. So you click on the component you want to apply it to, and then you go up to effect, go to distort and transform, and then you choose free distort. It's going to bring up this box right here, and then now you can adjust and then your design and to whatever you want it to look like. The way you can apply this effect is by changing or using these anchors to change how you want the component to look like. So you can just work with this corners. So if I drag this like so, it's going to affect the component part. So I'm going to click OK, and then you're going to see the effect it has made on the components. So right here I have this. After clicking OK, and I still want to go back to edit this component, all I need to do is bring up my appearance panel. I'll go up to Windows and then go to Appearance, or using the keyboard shortcut Shift F6 to bring up the appearance panel, and I'm going to double click the free distort effect to bring up that dialog box once again for me to edit. So here it is. Now I can, maybe I want to change it to something like so. Click OK. So that's how we can use the distort effects to create shapes. Very nice. You can use it in your logo design, and after doing that, you can see it has some of these outlines. We need to expand the shape to get rid of these outlines. So we go to Object and go down to Expand Appearance, and then we go to Object again, and then we go down to Expand. So right here we have converted this to a shape, and we can use it whichever way we want to. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, kindly drop a like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.